Another addition to my toolbox came in the other day. This is from Ernst. It's this red tray here. Fits in the low profile, shallow drawers of the Icon toolbox. I got another video on this toolbox as well. This is a really cool set here. Ernst made in the USA. Everything's really high quality. You can just tell. And if this is something that's going to be in your toolbox for the rest of your life, then, you know, why not get something nice? And I'll give you the dimensions on this. The width is 11. The length is just under 16. So to be exact here, it's like 15 and just a hair over 3/4. You look at that. And that width is, yeah, it's almost exactly 11. And then the height comes in at about 2 inches. I'm sorry, comes in at 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. So got a bunch of different compartments here that you can use for different things. They're also got that curve in them. So if you're trying to get a screw or something small out of here, you can do that. It'll, you know, it'll slide out easier. And I just got odds and ends in this drawer. I don't know what I'm doing in this drawer yet, but just real nice divider, not only for your toolbox, but could be a junk drawer in the kitchen or whatever. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Ernst makes really good stuff. I like buying from them with it all made in the USA, and it fits perfect in an Icon drawer, just like that. So hey, hope that helped. Learn a little bit more about this Ernst divider organizer. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.